I get asked a lot, how do I find the best DUI attorney? Now, I get asked about this because I handle DUI cases and I have clients who live elsewhere that might get in trouble that want to find out how do they find the best DUI attorney. And I tell them, you start like you would finding the best restaurants. You look at reviews. Important to note, it's not just looking at the amount of reviews or if they're all 5-star reviews. Look into the review. Find out why the person leaving the review is leaving such a high review. Is it because the staff is friendly, keeps communication going, or that the attorney got a good result? Because those are all important. Now, beyond the review, you also want to look specifically at the lawyer who's going to be handling your case. So if you go to a firm, you want to make sure who's handling your case. And why is that? Well, a lot of firms have many different practice areas. If you go to a criminal defense firm, you want to make sure that they have a good number of cases in the DUI realm because that's a specific niche. And the more niched they are entrenched in what's going on in DUI law, the better. So when you find out who the attorney may be that's handling the case, you want to see if they're a member of the Florida Academy of Criminal Defense Lawyers, and that's for all criminal defense lawyers, and that's a good start. So if you're hiring a criminal defense attorney in Florida who's not a member of that, you need to be suspect. That means they're not getting all the information that's happening in criminal defense world. They're not going to be up to date of what's going on. But more specifically than that, it's important that they're a member of the FACDL, but more importantly is going to be whether or not they're a member of one of the other organizations dedicated to DUI law. For instance, the NCDD, which is the National College of DUI Defense, or DUI Defense Lawyers of America. Those are two important organizations to show that the person handling the case is dedicated to doing DUI law. You wouldn't want to go to just any attorney who says, oh, I handle DUI cases, and they don't have that specific knowledge or they don't do them regularly. It's kind of like going to an all-you-can-eat buffet. Typically, there's not one thing on the dish that is particularly outstanding. It's just kind of generally all tastes the same. The next topic is how much experience do they have in DUI law? So one of the questions that I would ask if I was hiring a DUI attorney is, have you tried a DUI case? Meaning, have you taken a jury on a DUI case? Because if they haven't, that means they haven't properly prepped up a case, meaning filing all the specific motions, selecting a jury, arguing the case, and delivering a great closing argument. So those are some of the ways to specifically find the best DUI attorney. Now, if you want to know more, I wrote a book, My Loved One's Been Arrested, What's Next? And it'll cover some of the areas that we talked about here about how to hire an attorney.